Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Train Tutor. So here in this video we'll see some common translation mistakes in English. Electricity is gone. Wrong. There is a power cut. Is the right sentence. Is the seat empty? Is the seat vacant? Is this seat vacant? New Year is coming. Wrong. New Year is around the corner. Is the right one. She is my real sister. Wrong. She is my sibling. Is the right one. She is my mouth-called sister. Wrong. She is my foster sister. Is the right one. Please open the TV. Please turn on the TV. He saw a dream last night. Wrong. He had a dream last night. Is the right one. She is bachelor. Wrong. She is spinster. Yes. Thank you. Thanks for watching.